Do you know about these impose option that is super helpful while working every time? Hello fellas, welcome to Attiration. We have already told you what we will be learning today, so let's get started. I have imported this project to learn today. Here we have this yoke for my kurta which I want to attach over it. But when I right click, I don't see the options which I want. So, what is the reason? The reason is that our yoke doesn't have any sewing on it to guide the piece where it should be attached. For that, I will stitch this with the internal lines we have over the kurta. I will be using free sewing tool for the same. Now you can see the sewing in 3D window as well. Our first impose option is superimpose over. As you all know, over means one thing on the top of another. So this is what we got. It's nicely placed over our kurta, but when we do the regular simulation, you know how it works. It goes wherever it is to attach over our project and create distortion all over. But by the help of this, we can avoid the distortion. Next one is under, so we will be creating a piece that can be placed under our kurta. For that, I will duplicate the front panel and will delete the unnecessary fabric by cutting it from the internal lines so that we get a thin piping for our kurta's back. Now, let me bring this piece closer to the kurta in 2D and 3D window as well. Assign the sewing line and simulate. Did you notice this irrelevant movement here? Now we will see the benefit of this. Use our superimpose under option. Now when we simulate it, we didn't see any fluctuation in our garment. This is the only benefit of this tiny tool, but is super helpful because this distortion can sometimes disturb your whole project. Let me show you the back view of our front kurta where we have our piping attached. Now we will use our last impose option, that is side. For this, I will remove all the sewing of this collar and flatten it. Let me do the sewing again and use our last option. Our collar is all set, so try to simulate it. After over and under, side attachment is also done. This is the benefit of using this superpower to make your working easy and hassle-free. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell icon so that you, my friend, don't miss any other future tips and tricks or tutorial. Till then, stay tuned and keep creating.